Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we dive deep into the latest tech and accessories to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we're looking at the Starlink Performance Gen 3 mount by Ybervont, a premium mounting solution designed for Starlink's Performance Gen 3 satellite dishes. If you've ever wanted reliable, high-speed internet while on the move, whether in your RV, boat, or even on a rooftop, this mount might just be the accessory you need. First off, let's talk about design. The Ybervont mount is built with an innovative integrated structure, unlike the official split mount option. This integrated design delivers a more secure and robust installation, offering superior protection for your Starlink performance equipment. The flat mount can be attached to a variety of surfaces including wood, metal, plastic, or even roof racks with tracks, making it incredibly versatile for multiple scenarios. Durability is another major highlight. This mount is constructed from high-quality stainless steel, which makes it not only sturdy but also corrosion-resistant. This means it can withstand harsh weather conditions, whether that's heavy rain, strong winds, or extreme outdoor climates. The polished finish also adds a sleek and professional look, making it a reliable yet stylish addition to your setup. Installation is surprisingly simple. The Ybervont mount comes with a T-nut specifically designed for roof rack track mounting. This eliminates the need for drilling, which is a huge advantage if you want to avoid permanent modifications to your vehicle or rooftop. Whether you're on an RV adventure, sailing, or just setting up on a backyard roof, you can get your Starlink Performance Gen 3 dish secured quickly and efficiently. In terms of size, the mount measures 17 inches by 8 inches by 3 inches, and it weighs around 3 pounds. This makes it substantial enough to hold the dish securely while still being manageable to handle during installation. Included in the package is the Starlink Performance Gen 3 mount itself along with a pipe adapter, providing everything you need for a straightforward setup. Ybervont also emphasizes reliability and support. Their professional team promises to address any purchase or usage questions promptly, which is reassuring if you encounter any issues during installation or operation. Overall, the Ybervont Starlink Performance Gen 3 mount is engineered for those who need a strong, dependable, and easy-to-install solution for their Starlink performance setup. Its combination of robust stainless steel construction, integrated design, and versatile mounting options make it a standout choice for anyone looking to enjoy stable, high-speed internet while on the move or in extreme environments. If you're planning to upgrade your Starlink setup or need a durable mounting solution for travel or outdoor adventures, this mount is certainly worth considering. That wraps up our review for today. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth reviews of the latest tech products.